Breaking news for all of you writing WAEC this year, starting from the year 2025. Let me just read this news. I know it's going to be shocking to many of you. It's going to be like a very, very bad news for many people, especially those that probably depend on one or two help in the exam. Now, this is the news. In a bold stride towards this is a rare news from WAEC. I'm giving it to you straight up. In a bold stride towards restoring integrity in the West African education system, the West African Examination Council, WAEC, has unveiled a revolutionary initiative, the introduction of customized question papers for individual candidates. This will shock you. I will explain. Let's go. I know you are writing WAEC. That is why you are watching this. The earlier you know, in fact, don't just know this. Take it to your classmates. Everybody writing WAEC needs to hear this. So the earlier they know, the better. The historical policy was revealed during the strategic briefing with secondary school principals across the region. According to WAEC, the new system is designed to disrupt examination malpractice by ensuring no two candidates receive the same set of questions in select key subjects. What is WAEC saying? It's saying that they are working hard to make sure that no two candidates will have the same questions. You know, before in WAEC exam, they just share the script and the questions in your own paper is the same with the questions in your neighbor's paper. The person in your front, in your back, in your left and your right, everybody in your hall will be answering the same question, so long as they are doing the same, offering the same subject. But the WAEC is saying no, that they notice that it gives an opportunity for some people to engage in malpractice, and they are doing something about it. The rollout will affect English. Look at the subjects that will be affected, not all the subjects. For now, maybe in the coming years, maybe from 2026, I don't know when you are watching this video, 2026, 2027, but from this year, 2025, when they are starting this policy, the rollout will affect English language, paper 1 and 3, biology 1, mathematics 1, and economics, where each candidate will be issued a uniquely generated question paper directly tied to the personalized OMR sheet. Do you get? That is, it will be personalized. It will be personalized. Your objective, everything will be personalized. You no longer business as usual. Before, maybe if you have people to help you, they can come into the hall and say, number 1 A, number 2 B, you just shade. It's not going to be the same again. Some centers will write the answers in the board for the candidates to copy. WAEC has struck that out. For these 4 subjects, the earlier you know, the better. English language, in fact, they did it in those critical subjects. You know, if you fail English and maths, it means you do not write WAEC. You are going to come back and write it. And 2 of them are compulsory. Economics is almost compulsory for all art students. Then biology is almost also compulsory for all science students. You can see. WAEC officials explained that this innovation demands high compliance. So they are not joking with it. They are much more serious with it. WAEC officials explained that this innovation demands high-level compliance from exam supervisors. In instances where a candidate's personalized paper is not available, supervisors are instructed to promptly issue an emergency version of the paper accompanied by a plain OMR sheet. Pay attention. This strategy, why are they doing this? This strategy targets the root of malpractice, including collusion, impersonation, and question leaks. You know, before now, there's what we call leaking of before the exam date, right? Assuming that the exam will happen on a Tuesday, then by Monday evening, the real question must have leaked, circulated, and people will easily solve before entering the hall. But right now, since the questions are different, you are not even sure the one your candidate will get, because each person will have a personalized question. This is making it completely difficult for anybody to pass the exam. Okay? This strategy targets the root of malpractice, including I hope you are paying attention, impersonation and question leaks that have undermined the credibility of WAEC examination over the years. This move is a game changer. This is what WAEC is saying. A senior WAEC official stated, "We are sending a clear message. Organized cheating, rigging, and the era of leaked exam questions are coming to an end." I project that in the nearest future, all WAEC papers will also be customized this way. So everybody should get ready to read. Your teacher, your school, your center may have been sincerely ready to help you out in one or two ways, but right now, it is almost impossible. Education stakeholders are now calling on parents, guidance. I'm also one of them, calling on everyone, parents, guidance, and teachers, to intensify support for students. By support, we mean a Lagos-based teacher advice. Let's begin to prepare our children for this new era. I mean, the era of helping you in the exam hall is, even if we teachers want to do that, it is not possible. The days of relying on shortcuts and illegal assistance during examination are fading. Students must return to the basics of hard work and consistent study. Parents are also encouraged to provide conducive learning environment at home or seek alternative study spaces for their works, especially during this holiday period. Ensuring access to updated textbooks, study guide, and emotional support is now more crucial than ever. I hope you are following. As the region prepares for this landmark shift, WAEC's move signals a new commitment to excellence, academic fairness, and credibility in public assessment across West Africa. Now, for you that is watching this video, of course, you should not just cry and say, these people have come, or no. For you, it just means that you need to intensify your efforts, right? You can write this exam and pass. You can write this exam and pass. Even if you just have 1 month, 2 months, or a few weeks to the exam, intensify your effort. Narrow your preparation. Past questions, get the syllabus. If you need past questions, WAEC past question, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then come under the comment of this video and tell me you have subscribed. Once you subscribe and tell me you have subscribed, I can send you free past questions for your WAEC exam. Right? Just subscribe and tell me you have subscribed. I can send you free WAEC past question. I need you to become extremely committed to reading. Don't panic. Don't be afraid. There are people that read on their own and succeeded. You will be one of them. Nothing will stop you from passing WAEC this year. Claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section. Then subscribe. Once you subscribe, let me know in the comments so that if you need past questions, it could be given to you. I am wishing you all the best. There's a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.